After installing the control panel, the device needs to be configured for first-time use. Start by selecting your preferred language and the region where the device is located. The device is manufactured in accordance with both EU and US standards. Next, connect the control panel to a Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the device will automatically begin updating its software. If a message appears saying, "Update successful," there is no need to press OK. The update process will continue on its own. When updates are complete, you can proceed with setting the units, time zone, clock, and date. If the control panel is connected to Wi-Fi, it will use the UTC time zone automatically. If it's not connected, you'll need to enter the time and date manually. After setting the time and date, enter the heater model and power rating, as well as the size of the sauna room, and, if applicable, the area of the glass door. Next, you have the option to set a screen lock code to prevent, for example, children from starting the sauna climate system. If a screen lock is not needed, you can skip this step. You can now preset up to 3 custom sauna profiles. For each profile, you can choose the desired temperature and the fan's operating time and speed. These settings can be changed at any time, even while the sauna is heating or in use. To start heating the sauna, simply tap the control panel screen, select a preferred preset sauna profile, and press Start. Once the target temperature is reached, a notification will appear on the screen.